This is in some clothes. They have a, a delivery. Good.
Nice to meet you, Carl. This is the first time. First time you tried out our service. How you learn about us? Carden, okay. Good news spread fast. Nice, thank you so much. You like it? You like it so far?
Yes, sir.
We come at your house and we deliver it. You know, I forgot to trump yourself. Eh? Less accolade.
Yes, sure, from Shipme.
Oh, jeez, that you heard that, guys? I didn't say it, you know. Tell them again, Carl.
Saving from Shipme.
Alright.
It's a no line, hassle free.
That's it.
Hassle free come to your house. And you like the price, right?
Very much.
You don't recommend other people use us?
Very much, man.
Alright, you hear that, guys? You heard it first from Carl, alright?
Let's start wearing a t-shirt.
You start with a t-shirt, so I like it. I like it. Alright, Carl, enough respect here. Cool. More time. Thank you. Yeah, man. Cool. Alright, guys, you heard it? Carl said I'm going to wear our t-shirt. Oh, you like that?